here tonight at Glasgow Central, taking a very strange train journey. This is supposed to be the only train that is scheduled to travel around the Edinburgh suburban loop, around the south side of Edinburgh. It's the 2105 from Glasgow Central, cross-country service to Edinburgh Waverley, and I'm going to see whether it actually does what it says on the tin, what it's supposed to do, and goes round the Edinburgh loop, the Edinburgh suburban line. So here goes. So here I am on the train now, and we've just left Motherwell, and it certainly does appear that this train is going to go around the suburban loop, because the train manager has made the point of announcing that this train doesn't stop at Haymarket. I think you'll probably hear him say it just now.
Next and final calling point will be Edinburgh Waverley in approximately 1 hour's time.
There we go. So just at Edinburgh it's stopping, which must mean it avoids Haymarket by going round the southern loop. So hopefully it'll be light enough. It is getting dark, it's coming up to sunset, but hopefully it'll be light enough for us to see a little bit of that south suburban journey. So here we are coming across Slateford Viaduct, and there's the canal aqueduct beside us. There's just enough light to see, and we're now slowing down, approaching Slateford station. I'm eager to keep the camera up against the window to get the light that there is and not to get the reflection from the train. So we've just changed track onto the wrong line, so we're heading down the other side of Slateford station platform, because we're going to veer off to the right now and down onto the suburban loop. This is the only scheduled passenger train that does this journey in a day. Megaland playing fields there. And here we are passing through the area of Morningside, through the back of Belcaris Street, coming up to the old Morningside Road station. We'll just be going under Morningside Road in a moment. Belcaris Street up there. Go. And just looking up above these roofs, looking up towards Blackford Hill on the top there, we're just going through the old Blackford station. Blackford Hill is away up there. Don't know if you can get a glimpse of the observatory or not, maybe not. So we're now heading towards the old Newington station. There's the old blind school over there that's being converted now. We're just coming through the old Newington station here and under Newington Road, under the Craigmillar Park. There's Craigmillar Park Church up there, the roof of it, and under Craigmillar Park, now round by Newington Cemetery. In a moment we'll be passing Cameron Toll, and here we are just coming round now to Cameron Toll. You'll see it in a moment below us because the railway line's on a bridge here. There it is. There's Cameron Toll down there. Lights as a shopping centre. Just see. So go around. There's Cameron Toll there. A bit blurry in this light, but you can see it. Old Dalkeith Road in the distance. Craigmillar Castle is up on the hill over there. Very blurry now because of the low light. Passing through Peffermill playing fields. Now we're just passing under Craigmillar Road. There's the Craigmillar Flats up there. Passing by Craigmillar here. The old brewery there at Duddingston. So here we're just running through the back of Niddry. Over there you can see Niddry, and we'll soon be coming up to the junction with the Borders Railway, where we'll run down through Brunston Station. And here we are just coming up to Niddry Junction, where we'll join the other line behind the houses of Niddry here. The lines separate a bit. And we're just about coming up to passing Brunston Station here in a moment. There we go, there's Brunston Station, and we're now running down to join the main line at Portobello Junction. And here we are just running down to join the main line at Portobello. Very difficult to see now in this light, but there's the old Freightliner terminal at Portobello Junction. Just running past, and we're on the main line back into Edinburgh Waverley, having gone all the way around this up. So there you go, as promised, a trip around the suburban railway late in the evening, just after the sun's gone down. Very satisfying. We're just coming into Edinburgh Waverley now. So if you want to know what that is again, it's a 2105 cross-country service from Glasgow Central to Edinburgh Waverley, calling us just at Motherwell and Edinburgh Waverley. So there we are, back at Edinburgh Waverley on this cross-country train next to the Azuma on platform 6. We're coming at the east end of the station, and just been a very enjoyable journey. Hope you've enjoyed seeing it. Bye.